If you get the custom field mismatch error, what this means is that we feel like you already have some custom tracking fields set up in your Infusionsoft account, but we're trying to use the default field names, but maybe those field names aren't available. Sometimes this happens if you set up your custom fields and then you delete some custom fields and then you try to re-add them. That kind of throws some things off. So we're not sure which fields we should be using. In this account, I have my contact custom fields here brought up. To get here, you just go to admin and then settings and then click set up custom fields for contact. So that's how you get to this page. But so we already have GA content, GA source. We already have all the tracking fields that iTracker uses. This account already has them set up, but if I look at the API names, the API name is actually GA content 39. And what this means is that I've had probably 38 or 39 versions of this custom field created. And the reason why is because I keep deleting my custom fields and then re-adding them. So Infusionsoft is going to put a number on the end and just kind of increment the number each time to make sure the field name is unique. Now you might see GA content 0 or GA content 1, but when you do as much testing as I do, you're going to see some pretty high numbers. So for this purpose, I don't want to create any new custom fields. I want to use the fields that are already in my account. So I'm going to go back to the mismatch page, and instead of saying use GA content, I'm going to say, hey, use the GA content 39 field, because that's the real API name for it. So I'm just going to click use this field, and the page will refresh, and it says, oh, okay, so we've mapped GA content to GA content 39. That field's good to go. So you can just go through for any of the fields that you already have created. Just click use this field, and we'll use that custom field, and that's basically it. Now, if you want full control on which fields these use, click the advanced custom field setup page, and let's say you have a field down here called keyword or something like that. You're running short on custom fields and you just kind of want to use what you have. You can take, like let's say IP address 37. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use that field for the IP address field that iTracker uses. So I'm going to click update. So this is the API name over here, and so this field is already created. It exists, so it's good to go. We just have two more fields that we need to map, and again, we can just click the link, or if you want full control, you can copy the API name from here and paste it here to set the field mappings for iTracker. Once you have all the custom fields mapped, you can go back to the setup process and continue on.